Past 3 when I called you up, said I need you now, cause I'm losing patience. By 4 you were knocking on my door. I said love is a two-way road, he don't care no more, am I going crazy? Needed you just to help forget it all. And it was easy.
Wato na po sila sa karate. Ayan, sumula. Sumula din. Kung paano po ito rin, asa na yung kuwan.
Ay, mama. Tadi apa? Pangkapi na.
Teacher sa Flores.
Ano na may uban no?
Kung ito yan. Adoration. Get inside, you get inside. Sulod, sulod. Ma'am, until what? Attenda. And go to karate.
Nyana sila nga. Nya ama.
Babay na.